Hello guys, I have just received my new HP multifunction LaserJet 127fw. I have ordered this product on Amazon after Christmas and I have received it on 4th Jan today. It's pretty fast delivery considering the standard free shipping options. So here it is. On this side it says some of the key specs of this product, and on top it's again repeated. It's wireless, you can print via AirPrint or direct from Wi-Fi using your mobile phone or smartphones or tablet or ultrabook, whatever. So this is a box over here and it contains some of the detailed specs as well as the information from where it's imported and other things, the contents. On this side it's in French, and this is the back side of the box. It looks like this. Okay, now I'm gonna open the box. Here's the cutter. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty excited. Okay, so this says to use HP color lock paper for better color results, but that doesn't matter because this product is black and white. That's a monochrome printer. So here's a USB cable. It says nothing much about it. Okay, here's the power cable. It says standard power cable, and here we have RJ11, the telephone cable to be used if you want to use this product for receiving fax or sending fax. Okay, and here I think it's some sort of a cover or to be used in like when loading or offloading the paper tray or something like this. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so here's the product. We have some user manual and warranty information as well as the certificate and generic product information for the 127 series. This is driver's CD and information about the support, and here's CD for the Mac. I don't use Mac, I'm not a Mac fan, so that will be useless for me. Okay, so there's nothing else. I'm gonna take this thing out, and so I have to put my camera aside because I don't have a stand, so just hold on for a second. Okay, so the box is empty, and let's put this thing aside. Here's the printer. Let's take it out of the... Oh, so they have put the printer like this. Okay, that's pretty weird because normally the products are like upside down, and it was placed on sideways. Okay, I guess this is the best place. So here it is, the HP multifunction LaserJet. It's a monochrome. Okay, with automatic document feeder. That's the back side. And here is the USB connection, the Ethernet port. Down there, so you can see the telephone connection and the line and the power outlet. Here's the stickers which contains the details of the product, and I think that's a hole for Kensington lock. You can lock this product for security or safety reasons. Okay, so that's unboxing of HP multifunction M127fw. Okay, so I guess that was the best position to ship this product.